Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, today we will discuss about our 13th chapter of maths, that is data handling. In this chapter, we will learn about understanding a bar graph and its elements. Second one is scaling in a bar graph. Third one is drawing circle charts and inferring from them. So that means we have to learn about bar graph. You have already know about it because in previous class you already discussed about bar graph. So let's start our chapter. Look students, this is a called bar graph. It is a bar graph. In 8 lines, it is a vertical line represents y-axis and it is a horizontal line and horizontal line represent x-axis. So we put the values of y in y-axis and these represent x-axis. This line is called vertical line and this line is called horizontal line. So moving to first question, read the bar graph and answer the following questions. So first one is, Lata collected data on garden creatures she saw while walking through her garden. She represents the data using a bar graph. Look at here, it is a bar graph. And first one is ladybug. So number of ladybug means 7. And next one is grasshopper. And how many grasshopper are? 3. And number of dragonfly? 5. And number of butterfly, which are equal to 9. So firstly, we have to draw a bar graph. Here the difference between 7 minus 4, it becomes 3, and 3 plus 2, 5. So how can we take a bar graph? Let's take using a represent a bar graph. So first one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Why we make 7 numbers? Each, or look at here, each these are small boxes and each box measure 1 unit. How many unit? 1 unit. Because largest number of ladybug is 9. Butterflies are 9. So we have to represent next number is 8 and again 9. Next number is 10. So we have to draw 10 numbers on vertical line. So similar, so first one is ladybug. How many ladybug? 7. So shade this portion. Always remember, if we अगर हम इसका डिफरेंस 1 का ले रहे हैं तो हमने क्या करना है, जो लेडी बग को ड्रॉ करना है वो भी 1 डिफरेंस से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू शेड 7 बॉक्सेस ऑफ लेडी बग. नेक्स्ट वन इज ग्रास ओपर. हाउ मेनी ग्रास ओपर आर? 3. वेयर इज 3? हेयर इज 3. सो दिस represent ग्रास ओपर. नेक्स्ट वन इज ड्रैगन फ्लाई. सो हाउ मेनी ड्रैगन फ्लाइज आर? 5. वेयर इज 5? हेयर इज 5. So you shade 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next one is butterfly. So total number of butterflies are 9. Where is 9? Here is 9. So shade how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 boxes. So similar, we can draw any bar graph of any numbers given by in this side, in vertical line, we have to write number of garden creatures and my garden creatures, and in the horizontal line, we write garden creatures. So first one is, question is, how many grasshopper did she see? How many grasshopper did she see? उसने कितने grasshopper देखे? 3. that means 3. How many more butterflies did she see than ladybug? देखो firstly how many ladybugs are there? 7 and butterflies are 9. So 9 minus 7 it is 2. So how many more butterflies did she see? She see 2 more butterflies than ladybugs. Next one is how many fewer grasshopper did she see than dragonflies? And how many dragonflies are? 5. And how many grasshopper are? 3. That means she see 2 less grasshopper than dragonfly. Next one is how many creatures did she see in all? That means total number of creatures. First one is 7. Next one is 3. 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. Now adding all the number of creatures, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. That means total number of creatures she see in 24. So bar graph. A bar graph is a visual interpretation of data either in the form of vertical or horizontal bar. That means these are vertical and these are horizontal bars. So the longer the bar, the greater is its value. Second one is a bar graph has a chart little that informs the reader what the chart is interpreting. And next one is it has horizontal and vertical scales, as we know in the firstly we discuss about it. Next one is it has categories in horizontal scale. So what is scaling? So far we have been using 1 unit of grid to measure 1 unit of item of data. That means it is a grid. And how many units are there? 1, because we have to represent 0 to 1, 1 to 2, because 1 plus 1 becomes 2 and 2 plus 1 becomes 3. That means each grid is represent 1 unit. But when the greatest value of your data does not fit into the graph, we use scaling. That means scaling is the relation between the units used and representation on the graph. So the following bar graph shows the favorite subjects of class 4th students of our school. So first one is favorite subject, that is social studies, maths, science, English and others. So number of students 30, 50, 30, 35 and 10. So firstly we have to make a bar graph. Also remember scale 1 unit means 5 students, because why we have to write 1 unit is equal to 5 students, because if we measure 1 unit is equal to 1 student, it becomes so large. That means it is difficult for us to draw a bar graph. So that's why we have to measure each box is equal to 5 students. That means we 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. Next number is 60, because each grid is represent 5 students. So first one is social studies. So how many students are there? Number of students 30. So look at here, we have drawn a bar graph. In the vertical line we represent numbers 5 to 60, 0 to 60, and here we write in this side number of students. Number of students, and horizontal line represents subjects, favorite subjects. So scale means 1 unit is equal to 5 students. First subject is social studies and number of students 30. Where is 30? Here. So draw line in front of 30, because total number of students 30. Which subject? It is social studies. Next one is maths, and total number of students 50. Here is 50, and draw gap of 5 scale, because we have to measure each unit, each grid 5 units. Math means number of students 5. So maths, in this box we write math. Next one is science, and total number of science are again 30. So here 30. Which subject? That means science. Next one is English, and total number of students 35. Here 30, after 30 it comes 35. So draw a graph in front of 35. English. Next one is others. Other means 10. Number of students 10. Where is 10? Here is 10. Others. So in this way we can make a bar graph. Moving to question number 2. A fruit chart makes conducted a survey about people's favorite fruits and recorded the result in bar graph. Use the bar graph to answer the questions. We have given a bar graph. Here in the horizontal line it represents fruits, and in the vertical lines number of votes. So first one is give a suitable title to the bar graphs. That means we have to see only fruit. That means we have to give the name or favorite fruits. And next one is write the scale of the graph. That means scale means difference, because हमने ये बताना है कि कितनी मेजरमेंट ले रहे हैं हम. देखो फर्स्ट 0 to 25, नेक्स्ट वन इज 50 एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज 75. एंड अब हमने डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है 0 से 25. 0 plus 25 is equal to 25. Next is 50. When we add 25 plus 25, it becomes 50. So, in similar, when we add 50 plus 25, it becomes 75. So each scale of the graph is 25 units. So next one is, which is the most popular fruit? Most popular fruit, देखो which is the most popular fruit? First is 50. Apples are 50. Next one is pears 175. Banana 325. Next orange 125, 150. Next grapes 250. So greatest is 350. Which fruit? That means banana. So most popular fruit is banana. And how many customers have chosen either orange or grape? मतलब अब हमने ये बताना है कि किन किन कस्टमर ने ग्रेप और ऑरेंज दोनों को चूज़ किया है. दैट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ ग्रेप्स वेयर इट इज़ 250 and total number of orange it is 150. So adding both the numbers, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, and take 1 as carry, 2 plus 1 3, and 3 plus 1 4 cent. So that customers have chosen 400 orange or grapes. Next one is, if 75 more customer prefer apple, which one will top the chart, apple or pear? देखो firstly we have to add number of apples 50. So add 74 more apple. That means we have to add firstly 50 plus 75. It becomes, when we add 50 plus 75, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 125. And total number of apples now 125. And pears, number of pears are 200. So we know that 200 is greater than 125. So which will on the top chart, apple or pear? That means pear. So next one is, list the fruits in order from most popular to least popular. That means we have to list the fruits in order from most popular to least popular. मतलब जो पहले सबसे descending order, मतलब greatest, smaller, smaller and smaller, and so which one is on the top? That is banana. First one is banana, most popular fruit. Next one is less than banana, it is grapes, because number of grapes are 250. Next fruit is 200, which a pear. And next one is orange, because it has 150. And at the end, number of apples are 50. So in this way we can list the fruits of most popular from least popular. So how many customers like banana? How many customers like banana? That is 325. Moving to next, that is circle charts. A circle is sliced into parts to represent data, which is called a circle chart. The relative size of portion makes it a good way to compare data. Let us look at the following example. The class 4th students of a school spent a week at a scout camp. At the end of the week, the scout master asked the campers what their favorite activities to the camp was. The circle charts show their feedbacks. It is a circle chart, and this half circle represent horse riding, then 1/3 portion represent craft, and next 1/4 represent crafts, 1/3 campfire, and half part represent canoeing. So it shows that most students like horse riding, because semicircle half part horse riding. The least favorite activities was craft. सबसे least मतलब कम crafts. The title of the chart can be favorite camp activities. So in this way we can represent a circle chart and also answer the questions. So similar, moving to first question, the class 4th students of a school were asked about their favorite fruits and their response was represented in the form of circle chart. Look at here, it is a circle chart, and so observe the chart and answer the question. First one is which fruit इज़ द स्टूडेंट्स फेवरेट. हमने अब ये बताना है कि कौन सा फ्रूट स्टूडेंट्स का फेवरेट है. फर्स्टली देखो, जो ये पिंक लाइट पिंक शेड है ये है ऑरेंज का. ये एप्पल, बनाना, पियर एंड मैंगो. what is greater? Look at which portion is greater, that means orange. So which fruit is the fruit is the student's favorite, that means orange. So next one is which two fruits are equally likely by स्टूडेंट्स. दो मतलब टू फ्रूट्स हमने ऐसे बताने हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स को इक्वली पसंद है. देखो इन अब हमने इस पोर्शन को कंपेयर करना है क्योंकि ऑरेंज तो सबसे ज़्यादा है, बट इक्वल दो पोर्शन. अब देखो ये वाला ब्लू एप्पल और पियर, दोनों का साइज़ क्या है, सेम आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स कौन कौन से फ्रूट्स हो गए, एप्पल एंड पियर. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज विच फ्रूट इज लीस्ट लाइक्ड. लीस्ट लाइक मतलब सबसे कम कौन सा फ्रूट है. लुक एट हियर, इट इज़ अ स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ, दैट इज मैंगो. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज what can be the title of the circle chart? Title of the circle chart, favorite fruits, because we have to observe about the fruits. So title of the chart is favorite fruits. Moving to next question, there was a survey in a class about the students' favorite color and information was recorded in a circle chart. Observe the circle chart and answer the question given below. So first one is which color is the least favorite of the students. Least favorite मतलब सबसे least कौन सा, either orange or red. So answer is exact orange, because सबसे कम कौन सा favorite color है बच्चों का, orange. So next one is which color is most favorite. Look at all the circle chart. So which number you have to see in the greater number? Shaded portion is blue. As we know that blue is half of the circle, that means most favorite color is blue. Which is their second favorite color? First one is blue, second favorite color orange is least favorite, red is also least, and yellow is 1/3, and next one is pink, because after comes pink is second favorite color of students. In this way we can use the circle charts.